What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Low Roller? Zach, Peasy?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks, everyone, for being here. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Happy Monday. Bitcoin good, but not that bad, in my opinion. Yeah, it's below 30K now again, I think. Last time I checked, not too long ago, a couple hours ago. And it was pushing 31, and now it's under 30, so we can't... 30 is like some critical resistance right here. Maybe some critical support, too. But it seems like we just can't break 30. Every time it looks like it's getting to 31, it's right back to 30, so... yeah, not that bad. It actually went up. It's pulling back a little bit now, but crypto is slowly recovering. I'm sticking my skill game strategy to make profit, to look for free bonus and play 8 cents bet for $5 or play 40 cents for $5. I will take profit $2 to $5 each machine. I can easily make 20 to $30 a day or more. I'm trying to avoid getting wrecked, lose all my money on skill games. Alright, well, yeah. I don't know if he had a system before, Low Roller, but I have no idea how to play him. But sounds like a plan, dude. So, good luck to you. Did you win anything today? Did you play today? I don't know, because you're here early. Usually when you're here early, that means you didn't go play today. But all right, sounds good, dude. Good luck to you. What up, Joe?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
All right, thanks everyone for being here. So my apologies for getting started a little late today. Had to do TA on SIGA, so it took a little longer than I expected. And quick note, I don't think there's going to be a show on Monday. I think it's Memorial. I think Monday's off. I think the stock market's closed on Monday. So I got to confirm, but I'm pretty sure there's no show on Monday. All right, guys. So I hope everyone had a great weekend. Today is Monday, May 23rd, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. So today we're doing the show from Tendy Town. Yes, let's go. Yeah, I'll take it. I honestly thought it was going to be red, but I'm certainly not complaining. I'm not convinced that this is the bottom, anywhere near it, but pretty good day today. Really good day, actually, in the stock market. Crypto was kind of sideways, but yeah, great day in the stock market today, much needed. So let's go. I didn't play today, taking a break. All right, cool, dude. Well, thanks for being here. What up, Punk Skater? What's up? Stock market closed Monday, Memorial Day. Yeah, that's what I thought. I guess you just confirmed it for us. Yeah. No show on Monday, guys. And then I think the one after that is Juneteenth, which is not too far away. I think that's like 2 or 3 weeks away. So, yeah, no show on Monday, and then 2 weeks after that, it's going to be no show on Juneteenth. I'm not sure if that's on a Friday or a Monday. You guys buying Luna coins? I'm certainly not. And we got an article about that coming up here very shortly. Not good for Luna. Alright, guys. So, yeah, hope everyone made some fat tennies today. Good day today. Great way to start the week. And got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we got 4 articles. One about Luna, Korea and Luna. One about Tether, one about FTX, and one about the monkeypox. Can I even say monkeypox? I sure hope I can, but you can't say C19, so I'm not quite sure if YouTube censors monkeypox. But I'll just say it for now. I'll double check later. Hope I don't get flagged or anything like that. But yeah, we got an article about the monkeypox. And then today for the analysis, we'll be doing 2 TAs. One about Redbox. That one is still squeezing. And another one about SIGA. SIGA Technologies. I think it's SIGA. So those made top 10 on StockTwits today. Big price action, so we'll cover those two. Shouldn't take too long. Pretty straightforward. Some pretty easy TA there. And then we'll get to the YOLOs. And YOLOs, weren't that many YOLOs today. I think a couple memes and some actual YOLOs. But yeah, Wall Street Bets is just slacking. The content is decreasing in quality every single day. But I pulled out the best ones. And you would think that over the weekend they would have some good stuff. But yeah, so today shouldn't take too long. 4 articles. Should be 2 pretty short TAs and short YOLOs. So maybe we'll go. Let's aim for like 2 hours today. I think realistically we could do like 2 hours, maybe a little bit less, unless you guys come in and chat. But all right, guys, thank you everyone for being here. Let's get started. Stock market closes early on Friday. Does it? I gotta double check that. I know for sure Monday it's closed though. I gotta double check on Friday. Luna coin is YOLO play for a few bucks on ticket scratch. Yeah, it is lotto tickets. Straight up lotto tickets. I don't know. Apparently, we saw on Friday we went over an article that a lot of South Koreans, for some reason, the Koreans really like Luna and they're loading up. No one else is, but we got an article about Korea and Luna coming up here. Kinda yeah, still short SOXS. Hoping that this thing breaks its strongest support around 43. Then it's tanking city. Yeah, I think you guys were active on Discord. I kind of looked over the weekend. You guys were pretty active on Discord. So you guys talking about XOXS. I was kind of busy, so I couldn't really respond. But all right, we'll take a look at that. Bro, have you seen interest rates pumping? People with adjustable mortgage are gonna get wrecked. Yeah, like '08 all over again, right? So I haven't like specifically paid attention to the interest rates, but I mean, it was to be expected, right? The Fed is raising the rates and they're just gonna keep going up. I know real estate. There's a bunch of real estate memes on Wall Street Bets, like it's just not going down. Real estate keeps going up. Rent is skyrocketing. But yeah, sounds kind of similar to '08, where everyone just got, there was just all this money. Everyone, even if you weren't supposed to get one, you got a mortgage. Even if you couldn't really afford it, and then things go bad, things go south, and then everyone gets wrecked. I bought 2 scratch tickets for $1 each, one $5. I won this weekend. All right, awesome, dude. That's pretty good. These $1 scratch offs usually are a bust, so that's pretty cool. So you made 500% return there. Very nice. Did you make a video about it? I checked out your channel before. I know you do those scratch off videos. Monkeypox is new C19. Well, I wouldn't call it that just yet. I don't think it's the same, because we got an article about that coming up, and SIGA is actually a company that I think it's squeezing because it makes these vaccines and whatnot, but because we already have vaccines for not for monkeypox specifically, but for smallpox, which is, I think monkeypox is a variation of smallpox. So we already have protections against it. C19 was something totally new. And apparently monkeypox is prevalent among the rainbows, if you know what I'm talking about. We'll get to that. Could be the new HIV. I don't know about the new C19. Could be the new HIV. We'll get to that. Sooner or later, real estate will crash 60% since it got so expensive. Yeah, I sure hope not, but I mean, that's very realistic. That's the only thing that hasn't been crashing. Real estate's been holding up. You heard Arby's selling burgers tomorrow? No, I don't even think there's Arby's in New York. I've had Arby's before, when I used to live in Syracuse, but it's not my favorite. Selling burgers? Okay. Let me know if it's good or not. Everyone got chicken pox when we are younger. Yeah, so, most people are already vaccinated for smallpox, so everyone should have a good amount of protection already. What's next? Donkey pox? Yeah, donkey pox. Ape pox. Elephant pox? I don't know. Alright, guys, let's get started here. So, thank you everyone for being here. Let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Arby's curly fries. I've only had Arby's like a couple of times in my life. I haven't really had it much, and the times I have had it, wasn't too impressed about it. But yeah, New York City, we need to get an Arby's in here, and a Sonic. What up, Henrik?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
And here comes the first ambulance. Hello, how are you? I'm good. Hope you're good, dude. Hope you made some fat tendies. Please tell me about CEI and IMPP. Sure, let's look at that and SOXS real quick. Bro, Sonic is bussin'. Yeah, we don't have that in New York City, but we used to have one in Syracuse, and yeah, it was cool. It was like real old school. You gotta drive up and order it in your car, and they come out in roller skates, or they're supposed to. And those drinks and those Slurpees were real good. The drinks were good, the food not so much. All right, so SOXS, semiconductor ETF. Well, it looks pretty standard right now. Zach, RSI is at 55, so, it's like very average. There's actually a gap down at 73. So that's not good, that's bearish, or that's bullish. Yeah, honestly, it does look more bullish than bearish to me, according to the chart. And I think there's still a global shortage of semiconductors. So, I mean, I sure hope it goes down for your sake. Honestly speaking, I think there are better short plays out there. But you really can't go too wrong. You're not going to lose too much money even if this goes the wrong way. But it kind of does look more bullish than bearish to me. Looks like a possible cup and handle, gap down, and average RSI. And it's kind of consolidating right now. It is consolidating. So a bit more to go. Still pretty volatile. But alright, good luck to you, Zach. But yeah, even if it doesn't go your way, you're not going to lose that much money. So CEI and IMPP, these oil stocks. I hope we get more stimulus check. If monkeypox gets worse in the USA, I can see another lockdown soon. Yeah, I mean, that'd be nice, but realistically speaking, I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to be another pandemic. I think we got it under control. And I really don't think the government and the Fed wants to print more money. That's like the last thing I want to do right now. But I'll be all for it. Why they do not have Sonic and Arby's. You can start a franchise of Arby and Sonic in your area. It will be popular. Yeah, good question. I don't know. It's just we don't have those here. And Jack in the Box, and we don't have a lot of stuff. We just got Chick-fil-A not too long ago. And Shake Shack. Bro, you were on point with SIGA yesterday. I should have bought some puts. Did I? I don't remember talking about it. Was that me, dude? You mean on Friday? I mean, we may have briefly looked at it, but I definitely didn't do a full-on TA. We'll get to that today. But yeah, it still looks like a pretty good short. Well, I don't know about puts because Ivy's probably pretty high now, but it looks like a pretty good short. We'll get to that. I don't believe in protection. All my kids are proof. Whereas, well, you can do the pullout, which is, you know, people say that you get away with it only so much, you know, the pullout method. But I've gotten away with it my whole life, so still risking it. And yeah, later on, you know, in like college, I realized how lucky I got getting away with stuff like that. So now I wrap it up. Gotta buy those extra thin. What do you call it? There's a certain type I go for. the extra thin Trojans. I think it's called like bearskin or something like that. Still not the same, but almost the same. And it may protect against, you know, pregnancies, but it ain't gonna protect against other stuff. But stay safe, guys, especially with this monkeypox coming out. We'll get to that in a second. Would you open your own Sonic, Arby, and Shake Shack? I don't really have an interest in opening my own fast food chain, no. But I'd like those. All right, let's get to CEI and IMPP for Henrik. All right. So RSI's at 45, so pretty average. Looks like a gap down. Small gap down here, so it should come back up to 75, 76. Yeah, like 76. This should come back up to... I'll just call it 75. So this should come back up to 75 in the short term. And there's the cup and handle here. There's not too much to go off of. But there's a gap down, cup and handle. RSI is a little bit below average, so slightly bullish there. So, yeah, no bearish indicators, just bullish and neutral indicators. So you really can't go too wrong at 70 cents here. And it looks like it bottomed out around 57. Really shouldn't go lower than that. So, yeah, not the greatest entry here, but average entry, and can't go too wrong at the current price for CEI right now. Yeah, you guys want financial advice? Wrap it up. Or else you're going to have 18 years plus. Alright, and on IMPP, this one looks a lot better. Better for an entry, I would say. Wow, this came back down to 40? Holy crap. Yeah, so this one looks really bullish. Gap down at 470. Looks like another gap down at 56. And yeah, RSI is at 31, so almost oversold, almost undervalued. And here's the big cup and handle. So yeah, this one looks a lot better, IMPP, than CEI. So CEI looks okay, slightly bullish. This one looks really bullish, IMPP. This one looks a lot better. So hope that helps, Henrik. Good luck to you. You wouldn't do any work. Open your Sonic RB Shake Shack. You just hire someone to do all the work. All you have to do is collecting a paycheck doing nothing. Well, you got to pay rent and franchise fees and stuff like that. I actually looked into owning a McDonald's or a Wendy's, just to see like how feasible it is. It's not easy. So yeah, I don't think the fast food life is for me. Don't go raw dog, go condom cat. Where's the laugh? What up, O'Milly? What's up? Offering at 50 cent for what, IMPP? Yeah, I think they did have an offering. That's why it went down. I remember they did have an offering. Thanks for being here, dude. Alright, guys, let's get started on the watch list here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Oh, Redbox went down. I guess we'll still do it. But, yeah, this did pull back quite a bit. I may have to call an audible. I don't know. Maybe we won't do it anymore. Because it was up over 10%. That finishes at 8.46%. And it's going down now in the aftermarket. Alright, so I guess we'll check StockTwits after we're done with the news here. But Redbox is going down. It was up a lot earlier. Alright, so the Dow Jones up 1.98%. NASDAQ up 1.68%. And the S&P up 1.86%. Hitting a little bit of lag here. So the VIX is down 3.23 points, down 0.95, or 3.23%, down 0.95 points. We're at 28.5 now. You know, which is better than 30, but still not reassuring. But we're heading in the right direction. So I'll take it. But yeah, this was a great day in the stock market today. All right, let's check out the watch list. What type of business will you open without doing much work? None. I mean, if you're going to open a business, you still got to work hard. Just, you know, doing back office stuff. Really just managing it. Now, the business I have now, the Registered Investment Advisory, people say that in the future, you don't have to do much work, but in the beginning, it's a lot of work. So, you know, hopefully I build something here and I can just sit on my ass 10 years, 20 years in the future and just collect money. That'd be nice, but no, you got to work hard. You know, if you want to get rich, if you want money, you got to put in the work. And I enjoy the grind. Calls on Ty's pullout game, puts on Joe's pullout game. But Joe seems pretty happy. You know, sounds like he has a wonderful wife and children. Nice little family there. But certainly not for me at the moment. And yes, I'm very blessed that I had a few close calls. My friends as well. I've been pretty lucky. You know, looking back at it now in hindsight, I'm like, damn, I did some pretty risky stuff. College was a wild time. Bro, Zoom earnings pop. Yeah, it's at 105 now. I'm actually a bit on a delay here. I'm on like a 15-minute delay. But yeah, this is popping. 105 and running. Very nice. But, you know, still overall, this is down from $400 earlier in the year. So, small victory. And it's coming back down to 90. Because there's a gap going to be created. But, alright. Good for Zoom. LMAO, now my pullout game is a non-factor. You're 6 years too late. Kathy Wood having a good day today. Number 3 stock in ARC. Oh, Zoom, yeah. Well, yeah, you know, good day today. Good year? No, absolutely not. All right, onto the watch list. So yeah, Redbox, 8.46% and going down now. So we may have to call an audible on that. I don't know. Hey, MMAT is going up 6.5%. The banks did really well today. Financials, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Allied Bank, Visa, Discover. Banks doing really, really good today. Lyft 6%. Apple had a great day, 4%. American Express, another financial. Morgan Stanley, MasterCard. Disney, 3.33%. Very nice. Microsoft, 3.2%. Yeah, everything's up today. Value went up a lot today. Costco, Coke, Walmart, Ford, Google. Got oil here. Airlines, cruises. Uber, Lyft, McDonald's, TD, another financial, IBKR, GM, AMD, Tesla. I see a lot of value up today. Growth is up too, but value, pretty much all of value is up. Yeah, so boomers did really good today. And on the red side, got CEI down. Looks like small cap oil is down. CEI, Express, HUSA, Peloton. Looks like Chinese EVs are down. Mostly growth. Xpeng, Skills, Roblox, Tilray, Mullen, Nile, Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC. Yeah, it looks like value did really good. Growth's not so much. Growth and memes not so much. SoFi, Snapchat, Roku, Ride, Ocugen, Lee, Centro, Twitter. Apparently Elon Musk is trying to get 25% off Twitter now. So he bought it for $44 billion. I think he wants it for $33 billion now. Palantir's down. But not much in the red. Mostly growth. So, yeah, it looks like, great day for the stock market. Boomers doing really good today. Apes, not so much depending on what you have. But yeah, great day in the stock market today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Good day, yes. Good year, absolutely not. Yeah, good. Past 2 years, she's been getting wrecked. I don't know how she's still in business. I don't know why anyone would give her money, to be completely honest. What up from above? Been a while, dude. Thanks for being here. Nice seeing you again.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Please smash the like button, guys. Catalysts for GFAI coming up. Miami show tomorrow. An acquisition by end of month. Being paid 90% with shares valued at $2. So I'm not too familiar with GFAI. I know you're like pretty heavily invested in that. Being paid 90% with shares valued at 2. For what? Do you get like a dividend or something? Or they're gonna get acquired? Yeah, I'm not exactly sure what's up with the acquisition. Do you mean you're gonna get paid $2 for this? But, alright, cool, dude. And yeah, on the chart, it looks really bullish. Cup and handle, gap down. Just be careful with, these catalysts. It may be the sell the news event. Not saying it will be, but, usually when it's a known event, more often than not, it turns out to be sell the news. So the chart does look really bullish. I do like it. But I wouldn't expect this to moon during the catalyst. But hopefully it does. But yeah, good luck to you, dude. They're buying and paying with cash and shares. Okay, got you. So they're acquiring another company. Yeah, well, looks really bullish from here. Usually the company that acquires doesn't really move that much. The acquired company does move. But, yeah, it looks really good. Looks really good in the long term. Short and long term, actually. No options. So, yeah, good luck to you, dude. Yeah, thanks for being here. Hope tomorrow goes well for the stock. Juwan Howard turned down Lakers' job. No one wants to coach Lakers. You gotta blame LeBron James. Well, he pretty much is the coach and the GM. The GM, the coach. But I think Juwan Howard, I think because he's coaching, he does a good job at Michigan, and I think he's coaching two of his kids play on the team. So I can't blame him too much. Dang, I guess my puts are gonna expire worthless. Yeah, you could roll them. You could buy leaps. Dallas get wrecked against Golden State. Yeah, they put up a good fight, but calls on the Warriors. Calls on the Warriors. They're looking really dominant right now. Special dividend get wrecked like MMAT. Remember? Yeah. And we'll see what happens with Cryptide. But yeah, special dividend stuff. It's a bait and switch for the most part. I bet you drive a Porsche with all that money you made from stocks. Who, me? No, I drive a Mustang. Well, in the summertime. The rest of the time I drive my Honda. Here's some more financial advice. And I think I told you guys before. Yeah, if you know, expensive stuff costs a lot to maintain. So, and I have a Mustang, which isn't even like anything too fancy, although I did put a lot of work into it, but that's expensive as hell to maintain, and I barely drive it. I drive it in the summertime, one season during the year. Yeah, those German cars are very nice. Very, a lot of engineering goes into that, a lot of technology, but super expensive to maintain and fix. So, you know, you gotta be balling for that. You gotta be willing. It's a straight up money pit. Do you want to drive a money pit? That's what it comes down to. But yeah, I'm good with, you know, my daily driver, my Honda Accord, and then I drive my Mustang during the summertime when I feel like stunting. And actually bought my Honda when I was 18 back in college, and that was quite an experience. Cause the other kids didn't even have cars, and I had a nice car, so they got me a lot of chicks, and no, I did not use protection. So yeah, wild times. Who will win, Boston, Miami? Well, we'll see, but Miami looks pretty good. I don't think they're gonna beat the Warriors though, either one. Punky barring a medical miracle, you're gonna lose your ass on them boots. Those expensive cars, you can pick up a lot of girls and get laid. Yeah, trust me, I know. But it's not for you. Let's put it that way. But yes. All right, let's get on to crypto. I do want to get a Tesla next. Well, maybe not a Tesla, but my next car, I do want to go electric. So I may have to wait a couple of years. Because I do want a Tesla, but I wouldn't mind, you know, if other companies, if they come out with an electric Honda Accord or electric Toyota Camry, I'd buy that, or a Lexus or an Acura or something like that. But for right now, the Model 3, the Tesla, is the best electric car, money-wise. Get a Nikola, I'll push. Yeah, Joe got the jokes today. I think they sold their first truck. They sold one truck so far. And they don't have any SUVs, or I think the Badger is what they called it. That's not even close to being done in production. We'll be like the Flintstones, man. Yeah, that's a good one. The gas is way too expensive. You can get Tesla car. Yeah, it is pretty expensive now. Good thing I don't drive too much. Yabba dabba do. Yeah, I don't drive too much. You know, luckily in the city, you don't have to drive too much. I just take the train around. But crazy stuff has been happening on the subway. New York City crime is crazy, so a little scary nowadays. I think today someone from Goldman Sachs got shot on the train for no reason. So scary stuff. But yeah, I don't even drive that much. You have two legs, you can always walk. Yeah, that too. It's not too bad, but if you gotta go somewhere far, you gotta take the train or drive. You can find parking. Parking costs more than gas. All right, on a crypto here. So now it's pulling back. Wow, it's not good. But crypto's down 1.37% today. What do we got? We got Terra. So trending. Terra down. Green Satoshi token and Mars rise. And biggest gainers, we got Sweet SOL, 700%. Mars Protocol, 370%. And Papay, 280%. So, looks like a lot of meme stuff. I don't know, growth. Maybe not memes, but some growth coins today. What is this Mars stuff? Mars Rise and Mars Protocol? Is that the new meme? Anything Mars in it? It's not Moon anymore. It's Mars. We're not going to the moon anymore. We're going to Mars, guys. Elon's bringing us to Mars. I really think people are losing their minds. Things were different even when I was a kid. Yeah, even I say that, and I'm not even that old. I'm 26, right? And I'm just like, these kids these days, what the hell? TikTok and all this, and you know, kids in like third grade get iPhones now. I'm like, you know what I had? I had a phone in like middle school, and it was a flip phone. I had the Motorola Razor. I thought it was so cool. Yeah, these young kids got iPhones now, and everyone's on TikTok. Your own being Asian in New York, you will get hurt. It's not safe for you. Well, honestly, no one's safe. No one's safe. It's not even just Asian. It used to be, but no one's safe now. The guy that got shot today was a white guy, and then a couple weeks ago, a few more people got shot. And then the thing in Buffalo just happened. So, you know, doesn't matter what race you are, it's not safe anymore anywhere. My kids have shooter drills. WTF happened to us people? Jeez. Shooter drills. What are you referring to? Shooter drills. Like, I'm thinking like basketball when he said that. I'm not sure what you mean by shooter drills, Joe. All right, crypto. So Bitcoin's down 2.3% today. So it was pushing 31 yesterday. Oh, got you. Shooter drills in school. Right. Like shooter drills. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing now. I think we like briefly had them when I was a kid, but it was just like 5 minutes in the beginning of the year. Okay, if this ever happens, hide under the table. That was about it. Or like natural disaster, just hide under the table. Yeah, now it's a legit. You gotta practice this constantly and have security on campus, in your school and stuff. Yeah, it's crazy out here. Back in my day, we punched it out. Yeah, someone wants to play hero. Yeah, now that you mention it, I think I did have shooter drills, but it was just some total BS. Just like in case this ever happens, here's the protocol. But you know, no one actually expected it to happen. If you were born in 1980, no one can afford to buy a cell phone. When we were younger, in 1990, all teenagers were using Yahoo Adult Chat Room. Yeah, and MSN and Skype and AIM. I remember that. Yeah, back, I mean, I wasn't born back then, but my parents showed me their cell phones. It was like this big. It was like a hot pocket phone, toaster phone. It's like a satellite phone. Yeah, kids are spoiled these days. But maybe we're just getting old. I feel old. Not even that old. All right, back to this. Ether down 0.74%, under 2K. Binance is up. Don't see much green, but Binance is up. XRP down. Pretty sideways day. Cardano down 2%. Solana 3%. Dogecoin 1%. Polkadot's up 3%. Litecoin's at 69. So yeah. So yeah, so that upgrade happened today in Litecoin. So now it's a privacy coin. Thanks, Joe, for putting that on Discord. So it's kind of like Monero now. So if you ever, if you guys ever need to dodge some alimony or child support or anything like that, if you didn't use protection and you get caught in a situation, buy Litecoin, and you're not gonna get anything. You can hide your assets that way. I remember one of my friends legit said, if he ever knocks a girl up, he's just buying a bunch of Monero. He doesn't care. He's buying Monero and moving. He was dead serious. But yeah, Litecoin's down. Chrono's down. FTX down. Not too much is up here. Monero's up. Ether Classic is up quite a bit, 7.7%. Wonder why. Alright, let's sort this out. Calls on Plan B. Yeah, another funny story. My friend used to work at CVS in college, and he said every Saturday morning, he works Saturday mornings, every Saturday morning, there'd just be tons of girls coming in buying Plan B. They had to restock it, like, constantly. Pretty sad. Pretty sad and funny. It's expensive, too. So it was like $50. I'm like, damn. Wonder what it is now with inflation. Bitcoin will add privacy coin option since Litecoin fork of Bitcoin. I mean, yeah, but I don't know if... Bitcoin, I don't think will become a privacy coin itself. It may fork and have a variation that's a privacy coin. Yeah, Litecoin Mimblewimble is a feature that can make privacy coin when you want it to, otherwise it's trackable. Well, why would you not want it to be? Why would you want it to be trackable? That's awesome. Good for Litecoin. It's fallen off quite a bit. It's not too popular anymore. Saturday morning walk of shame? Absolutely. Alright. So, yeah, on the green side, so Bitcoin Gold. What the hell is going on with Bitcoin Gold? That's up 45%. And then Loopring, 17%. I think this is because GME, so I saw some news, but we're not going to go over it today, but apparently GME released their crypto NFT wallet. So maybe that's why Loopring is going up. Just speculation. But Loopring's up 17%. I don't know why Bitcoin Gold is up so much. But this is all growth. Biggest value is like Uniswap, 5%. And then Tron and Polkadot, but not so much in the green here. Say like 30% of the coins in the green, and they're mostly growth. And let's get on the red side. So it doesn't seem like there's too much price action today. Yeah, red side, nothing's over 10%. Biggest loser is Kyber Network, and that's pulling back. Still up 50% for the week. And then it drops off Zcash, 5.4%. That's still a thing, Zcash. I bought Zcash at 400. And I'm not sure what I dumped it at, but yeah, that was one that didn't work out. And NEM too. I bought that at 20. And that one didn't work out. But I did buy Cardano at like 5. So some of them did work out. So yeah, not much price action on the green or red side, but most of the coins in the red today, and more value coins in the red than green. So yeah, slightly bearish in crypto today, 1.37%. But not that bad. I'll take it. Yeah, seems like 30K is some critical support and resistance for Bitcoin. It's got to break that 30K. And hopefully it doesn't break out to the downside. That'd be kind of bad. Never mix mac and cheese and milk. Not financial advice. I threw up, but not out of the mouth. Ugh. Are you lactose intolerant? Bitcoin Gold still alive. Bitcoin Gold used to be $400 per coin. Yeah, I think I remember that when it was, and I think I dumped it immediately. I took my Bitcoin Cash and my Bitcoin Gold, and I dumped it immediately. Free money. Alright, guys, so that's crypto today and the stock market. So, great day in the stock market. Slightly bearish day in crypto, but overall, pretty good day. Pretty good day. The hell is this? Luna Doge token? Really? Luna Doge token. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to pull up StockTwits. See if we should call an audible here. Because like I said, I was going to do Redbox. But it did pull back to end the day. So give me a second here. Let's go to StockTwits. And let me check YouTube while we're at it. 8 viewers, 7 likes. Alright, so a lot of viewers. Thank you guys. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Yeah, so Redbox is really pulling back here. I don't know if we're going to do Redbox. It's not even really worth it anymore, to be honest. Yeah, Redbox is down to 554, so I don't know if Redbox is even worth it, to be honest. We should still do SIGA. That's down 10%. BBIG 5%. I don't know why Luna is still number 1. Oh, we forgot to do the news. So we got to do the news. That's right. I almost forgot. But it looks like we're probably just going to do SIGA today. I don't know about Redbox. Because that's not even worth it anymore. We'll double check in a second. Let's get to the news first. And at that moment, I realized I effed up and that I was lactose intolerant. Yeah, that kind of sucks. You know, I got a friend who's lactose intolerant. And you miss out on a lot of stuff. But you just got to pay the consequences out your butthole. But, yeah, imagine no ice cream. That sucks. A lot of other stuff, too. But I think you can eat the fake mac and cheese, just not real mac and cheese. You know, you can eat Crafts from the box. All right, guys. So today we got 4 articles. One about the Korea and Luna. One about Tether. One about FTX, and one about the monkeypox. So let's do it. Korean police request LFG asset freeze. And LFG is Luna Foundation something. Forgot what it was. Luna Foundation Guard. So the terror saga continues. According to KBS, South Korean police have asked local cryptocurrency exchanges to freeze assets linked to LFG. Every time I see LFG, I think, let's effing go. But alright, key takeaways. South Korean authorities have asked crypto exchanges to freeze assets linked to the Luna Foundation Guard. It comes after LFG faced questions over how it has spent its Bitcoin reserves amid Terra's collapse. Terraform Labs co-founders Do Kwon and Daniel Shin are also facing a lawsuit from a group of South Korean investors in the fallout of UST's DPEG event. So yeah, I don't know why people are still trading crypto. And it's mostly the South Koreans that are trading crypto. Or trading Luna, my bad. Trading Luna. So it is a good time to day trade right now. Very volatile. But, you know, sooner or later it's going to get freezed. So, not financial advice, but I would just stop trading it right now. But yeah, for some reason, the Koreans, a lot of them are loading it up. So, I mean, good luck to them. But yeah, I remember when this first happened, they emptied out their reserves, but I think there was still like $1 billion unaccounted for, like $900 million unaccounted for. And nobody knows where those funds went, so it may have been just siphoned off and may have kept it. Nobody knows. No one can account for it. So, yeah. The Luna Terra saga is not over. It's still #1 trending every single day on StockTwits. I don't know why. But it's going to get freezed here pretty soon. But I think you can still trade on Binance. But yeah, now the police are getting involved. And Do Kwon is facing legal trouble. Alright, next article. This one is pretty big news today. Tether withdraws top $10 billion as regulators raise alarm about stablecoins. Tether has seen its circulating supply plunge from a record $84 billion on May 11th to around $73 billion as of Monday. Regulators have raised concerns about stablecoins after the collapse of UST, which at one point was the world's third largest stablecoin. The panic over UST has drawn attention to other stablecoins, Tether in particular. So yeah. Yeah, this happened. Pretty concerning, but I don't think it's anything to really panic about just yet. But it seems like people are pretty concerned that the government's going to step in and start regulating soon. Not just the US, but everywhere. Europe as well. And you can't blame them. Because, yeah, after what happened to Terra, that definitely called the attention of the feds, of the politicians. So, I wonder what they did with it. Maybe they sold it off for Bitcoin or just regular dollars. But, yeah, that's a big withdrawal there. $10 billion of Tether. You know, that's about an eighth of the total supply. And the gap is closing pretty soon now between Tether and USDC. Which I definitely trust USDC a lot more. But yeah, this is pretty big. Kind of flying under the radar, but this is pretty big. Alright, next article. Crypto exchange FTX quietly shops for brokerage startups amid move into stock trading, sources say. FTX has approached at least 3 stock trading startups about an acquisition, according to the sources familiar with those discussions. The hunt for deals comes as the cryptocurrency exchange moves into stock trading as its CEO buys a major stake in Robinhood. Retail traders are increasingly investing in crypto and stocks, and brokerage firms have been combining both assets under one roof. Alright, so Yeah, I guess this isn't exactly like breaking news because they have been doing this. We covered when yeah they bought 10% of Robinhood. So I mean that's cool for FTX. They might as well just buy all. Why don't they just buy all of Robinhood? I think that'd be better. But yeah, FTX is moving up, and maybe other exchanges have to follow soon. Maybe Coinbase and like Binance will follow soon. But yeah, FTX is really growing here. It's really mooning. So I'm not sure who they can acquire, but they're really trying to break into stock trading now. But yeah, to me, they should just buy all of Robinhood. Why not? It's at a discount now. So pretty big news here. And last article about the monkeypox. Monkeypox outbreak is primarily spreading through eggs. We'll just call it eggs. WHO officials say. European nations have confirmed dozens of cases in what's become the largest outbreak of monkeypox ever on the continent, according to the German military. The US has confirmed at least 2 cases, and Canada has confirmed at least 5 so far. Belgium just introduced a mandatory 21-day quarantine for monkeypox patients. The most recent surge in cases appear to have been spread among men who have eggs with other men. So, yeah, so this is the new fear, monkeypox. But now it's actually spreading, and I don't think there's need for panic yet. I don't think it's going to be a pandemic. But yeah, we're getting more information now that you're more likely to get it, a lot more likely to get it if you're a rainbow, if you know what I mean. So more like, yeah, more like HIV, more like that whole thing. Not really the C19. I don't think you can compare it to C19. It's more like when HIV was a thing back in the day. And yeah, it's not the same thing because we do have vaccines for this already. So I wouldn't worry about this too much just yet. But this is the big fear right now, monkeypox. Okay, so that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. And let's check out StockTwits one more time. I don't know if we're gonna do Redbox anymore, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna do it anymore. I think we're just gonna do SIGA, to be honest. Let's look at the chart real quick, but I think we'll just stick with SIGA. If it wasn't for this aftermarket action, end of the day sell-off. Everyone dipped. It says 1 viewer left. I'm not sure how accurate that is. Before we had 8 viewers, now we have 1. That's what YouTube says. So I think we're just going to do SIGA here. And here come the sirens. All right, so I think we're not gonna do Redbox. We're just gonna do SIGA. So let me just draw some extra lines here and mute while these sirens pass, and then we'll do SIGA. All right. Pizzy's still here. Appreciate you, dude.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Yeah, I think there's more than one person, because YouTube isn't very accurate with their count there. But all right, whatever. So we're gonna do. So yeah, no more red box. We're just gonna do Saga, and then we'll get to the Yolos. So yeah, this shouldn't take too long. So what time is it? 5:07. So we spent quite a bit of time in the beginning there, just chilling. But let's get to business. So yeah, so no more red box. Just gonna do Saga and Yolos, and this really shouldn't take too long. Pretty straightforward here. Okay. So here's SIGA, SIGA Technologies. This finishes at $10.83 today. That is down 12.66%.
And it's gone.
Calls on Cameron Dawson, CIO of New Edge Wealth. What happened? What happened there? I have no idea who that is, or what even New Edge Wealth is. Sounds like a hedge fund. Why? What happened with him? Extra coconut oil. Yeah, I'm pretty lost here on what's going on, but I guess we could check it out after we're done with this TA here. So the stock has been squeezing for the last 3 days. Big price action. And once again, this was trending top 10 on StockTwits. I believe it had over 3,000 mentions. So today we're going to analyze it. So there's no company-specific news as to why to justify this price action, but it seems like this has to do with the monkeypox going around right now. Because this company SIGA does specialize in smallpox vaccines. So that combined with strong retail momentum is really what's causing the stock to squeeze right here. Monkeypox plus strong retail momentum equals squeeze. So yeah. Big price action today. Still squeezing. Not done just yet. So let's go ahead and analyze here. And really, there's not too much to go off of. But we do have a gap up at 750, so that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 750 eventually to fill this gap. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to $11. So if this holds, that'd be a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should continue to run to the upside tomorrow. And we are getting some pretty big volume here, but not as much as on Friday. So still looks like it's squeezing, but it may be losing momentum here. I think the squeeze is almost over. And yeah, that's really all there is. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. So how low are we going to go here? We'll just go to We'll just go to $7. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1080, which it finished around today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1240, 1465, and then the high of 1480, which it hit today. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1035, 970, 935, 910, 880, 850, 830, 810, 795, 775, 760, 750, 730, 720, 710, and then $7. There is support below $7, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 1083, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide, so expect significant price action either way this goes. Let's see here. We'll just call it 760. However, if / when this breaks 760 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in decrease in price action if / when this breaks 760. RSI is currently at 72, so this is officially in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 73 million in volume today. Very significant volume. Second biggest volume day of the year after Friday. Way above the average of 800,000. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Definitely still squeezing here. But like I said, it looks like it is starting to lose momentum. So it may be coming to an end pretty soon. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So this most definitely did squeeze. It went from 750 to almost 15 today. A 100% upside in 3 days. So it may not be done just yet, but sooner or later, at some point, as with all short squeezes, the price is going to come crashing down just as fast as it went up. So at this point, it's pretty much a game of hot potato. It's a straight up gamble right now. Based on the aftermarket action here, it does appear like tomorrow is going to keep going up. But I really don't think there's too much more. But I really don't think it's going to go too much higher at this point. I think it's winding down from here. So there's not too many indicators here, but there are definitely more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. We got bearish indicators in the gap up, high RSI, high volume, and really the only bullish indicator is the aftermarket action, and that's just temporary. So short term, this may have a little bit more upside to go, but it does appear like it's going to come down pretty soon. So, therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. I personally will not do that. I would not recommend that. Seems like you missed your chance already. Should have went long at 750. Here at 1030, here at 1083. It's really not a good entry at this point. RSI says oversold or overbought, overvalued. Gap up at 70, gap up at 750, gap up at 750. So it's probably going to come back down there in the short term. And the volume, and it seems like, and based on the volume, it seems like the momentum is cooling off. So, honestly speaking, you're probably going to get burned if you go along here at 1083. I would say going along here would be a high risk, high reward play. Let's see. Not sure how high this is. Not sure how high this can possibly go. But again, it still is squeezing. So there is more upside to go. And 1083. And there's over a 30% downside here to fill the gap at 750. So yeah, high risk, high reward. If you want to go long, please do that at your own. Please do that at your own risk. But at this point, I don't think it's a great idea. I would say if you want to go long, you should hold off and wait until this comes back down to at least 750, where the gap is. I'm pretty confident it will come back down there at some point in the short term. And I think that'd be a pretty good entry. And if it pulls back below 750, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before, and if it pulls back below 750, then you can just average down at these supports on the chart. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice seems like a pretty good play to me. Again, a lot more bearish indicators than bullish indicators. This will have to come crashing down sooner or later. I think it's coming back down to 750 to fill the gap. So while there is still more upside potential, shouldn't really be too much more in my opinion. And again, this should fill the gap at 750, and that's about a 30% downside. So I would say going short here would be a medium risk, high reward play. I say medium risk because, again, there is still more upside potential. But really shouldn't be too much more. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, you should be able to make 30% on the downside relatively easily. Pretty easily. So I do like this entry of 1083 on the short side, or 11 in the aftermarket. And I would cover at 750, where the gap is, and that should be a pretty easy 30% gain on the downside there. I think that's about it. Yep. Okay. So pretty straightforward, guys. This is definitely in the middle. This is definitely in the middle of a short squeeze due to monkeypox and retail momentum. It still may have a little more upside to go, but looks like it's winding down. So going long doesn't appear to be the greatest play right now. I would not do that. I would not recommend that. If you want to, If you want to go long, do it at your own risk. But I think a better play. But I think if you want to go long, you're better off holding off until this comes back down to 750. I think that'd be a way better entry. And if you want to go short, I think it's good. I think it's a pretty good play right now. I think the current price of 1083 and higher is a good entry, and this should come back down to 750 to fill the gap. So that should be a relatively easy 30% downside gain here. Okay. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SIGA Technologies. Okay. So I think that's it, guys. Unless Redbox is going up. Should we do Redbox? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. There's not too much to go off of. I think we'll just yeah. I think we're done with the TA. We're not going to do Redbox. I don't really like the TA that much there. Not too much to talk about. Alright, guys, so that's it for the TA. That didn't take too long. Called an audible. So only did SIGA. And yeah, so it's 5:23, so pretty good on time here. Let's finish up with the Yolos. Five viewers, 10 likes. All right, so we got more viewers now. I thought that was, yeah, I thought that one viewer was not accurate. YouTube be lying. So appreciate everyone who's still here. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet, guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So give me a second here to pull up the Yolos, and let's check out Cameron Dawson. I don't know who the hell that is. But, all right, let's check it out. So we should be done here in like 15 minutes, guys. I only got 4 Yolos today, so it really shouldn't take too long. Cameron Dawson. New Edge. Oh, it's a lady. I see. Okay. Yeah, not bad, not bad. She looks, looks like she's in her 40s. Late 30s or 40s. $4.4 billion RIA. Wow. So that's a lot more than mine. Alright. Yeah, she's not bad at all. I wonder how much is, wonder how much she invested into herself, into her looks. But nice. Yeah. I'm more of a blonde. You know, I'm more into blondes, but not bad at all. She could be my sugar mama. Let's see here.
Whoa!
Winning.
Hitting a little lag here. All right, let's get on to the Yolos. All right, guys, so let's finish up the Yolos here today. Really shouldn't take too long. Only 4 of them. Wall Street Bets has been slacking. But we have 1 meme and 2 actual Yolos and 1 lost coin. Let's do it, guys. And if you guys want me to look at anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll just finish up with the Yolos and we'll get out of here. All right, this is by some Mad Foo. Game stonks. So, Melvin Capital dissolves. GME AMC short squeeze army. I've won, but at what cost? Year to date, 50%. I think they should have used the Thanos meme instead of this one, the Wario meme. You know, when Thanos did the snap thing, and it's like, you did it, but at what cost? Everything. So, yeah, we kind of talked about this on Friday. You know, Melvin Capital went down, but I'm like, all right, guys, the apes took down 1 hedge fund out of how many? So, I guess you won the battle, but the war, I don't know. But yeah, you won the battle, but at what cost? 50% for the year. Alright, let's get on to the actual Yolos. This is by Nervous Tumbleweed. 105k SPY, 360 put, September 18th YOLO. Oh my god. So yeah, here we have how many? 119 puts, SPY, 360 strike, expiring September 18th. So it's not even a leaps. It's not a total FD, but yeah, kind of. 4 months out. Less than 4 months out. And this is pretty ballsy. 105k, 360. I mean, it's possible. It's very possible. I sure hope it doesn't happen. Let's check it out here. SPY looks kind of bullish, to be honest. MACD's coming back, cup and handle. But yeah, based on here, let's see what Delta is. September. I don't have a September 18th. That's interesting. Is that right? It's August. I don't know why I said 9/18. It's not. All right, it's August 19th, not September 18th. All right, so this is an FD. Expires in 2 months. Well, 3 months. 3 months. So August 19th. 360 put. Delta is 23%. All right, so yeah, 23% the chance this works. I mean, not bad odds, but not great. So 105k on the line right now. All right, so yeah, pretty ballsy. Don't do this, guys. This is absolutely absurd. So high risk, high reward. You know, this is a straight up gamble right now. A lot of tickets. So I guess if he hits it, he'll be printing some pretty fat tendies. But if not, he's at 105k. So yeah, don't do this, guys. This is absolutely absurd. This is typical Wall Street bet stuff. Odds are not in his favor. But hope it works out. I mean, I don't hope it goes to 360, but I hope it works out for this guy. Good stuff. So Nervous Tumbleweed, thanks for hosting. Good luck to you, dude. You're gonna need it. This is absurd. And I hope you can afford to lose this money, because that is insane. Honestly, should have just shorted or bought SPY and hedged with puts, but all right. Good luck to you, dude. Thanks for posting. Alright, so this is by 1CU. Taking a 15K Bed Bath & Beyond. Not Bed Bath & Beyond. Best Buy, YOLO put. Let's see here. So he has some justifications. So this is an earnings play. Says that they're not getting any server, not getting any website traffic. Nobody's buying PCs. Nobody's searching on Google. So low traffic. And he says because Walmart and Target went down, Best Buy is going down as well. And he says only con is that it already went down so much. But alright, let's check it out here. So here we got 50 puts for Best Buy. $65 strike expiring this Friday, May 27th. Super FD. 15K YOLO. 14.5K YOLO. Let's check that one out. Let's check out the chart too. Yeah, I don't know about this one. I don't know about this one. The chart looks really bullish. Double gap down, cup and handle, low RSI. Yeah, I don't think this is too smart. But all right. Let's see here. $65 put, right? So 28%. 28% delta. 28 delta. So at least it wasn't 105K, but still 15K on an FD like this. Pretty insane. 28% chance it works, and the chart looks pretty bullish. So I don't think this is going to work, to be honest. But we'll see. Earnings is tomorrow. So it's a straight up earnings play. It's a lotto ticket. And even if you know, during earnings, even if they do have bad earnings, they can still pump. Even if they have good earnings, you can sell off. So, yeah, this is just a straight up gamble. So, entertaining stuff, but I don't know if this is going to work. I sure hope it does for his sake, though. So, 1CU, thanks for posting. Good luck, dude. You're gonna need it. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We will revisit this tomorrow, see how it goes. But, yeah, personally, I don't think it's that great of a play. Should have went short a long time ago. Should have bought puts a long time ago. I don't know why I waited so long. Chart looks pretty bullish now. But, good stuff, good stuff. Good content. Good luck to you. Please post updates. Alright, last one. This is by Tommy G and 1. DraftKings isn't the only one down. 85% update. Alright, so we see here, personal value, 15K. But on February 17th, 2021, so over a year ago, it was at 95K, almost 100K. So the guy lost 80K in DraftKings how much here? In like 15 months.
And it's gone.
So, honestly, I can't really blame the guy. First of all, at least they're shares, not options, you know, so if anything, you can just hold till it goes back up. It may take a while, but, you know, it did DraftKings. And I was really bullish on DraftKings as well. Fortunately, I sold around 45, so I was able to escape for a small profit. But yeah, this is rough. This is really rough. This is when Diamond Hands does not pay off.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
So yeah, that's rough. 80K loss in 15 months. But I hope it was diversified. Hope it didn't go all in on DraftKings. So yeah, at this point, this is really rough. But I think the best thing to do is to average down, actually. Great price to buy now. As a wise man once said, buy the effing dip. Problem is, it may keep on dipping, which is absurd to think about. But yeah, I think this is a good time to average down. We may be out of money, to be honest. Yeah, this is really unfortunate, but DraftKings will have its day again. Just hold. You'll be alright, dude. May take a while, but yeah, this really sucks. So nice loss corn here. So Tommy Jean won. Thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss, dude. I feel the pain. But, you know, not the worst thing in the world. Pretty bad, but just hold on. Just diamond hands. One day you'll make your money back. And, you know, good time to average down if you can afford to do so. So thanks for hosting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you. Alright, guys. So, I think that's the show for today. So, yeah, pretty short show. It was supposed to be longer, but we didn't do Red Box. Because it went down so much in the aftermarket. But yeah, we went an hour 37 minutes here, so pretty short stuff, pretty short show. Hope you guys enjoyed. We covered a decent amount of stuff. A few articles, one TA, and not too many Yolos, but yeah, short show. Hope you guys enjoyed. So I'll work on this video right now. And I guess if Redbox does anything in the aftermarket, then I'll do some bonus content afterwards. That's all I got for today, guys. So anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. Otherwise, we'll get out of here. Hitting a bit of lag now. Alright, no one's saying anything. Let me just check YouTube real quick. I think most people are gone. 2 people left. Alright, I think that's it, guys. Going once. Going twice. Alright, cool. I think that's it. Let's get out of here. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.